Hey everybody, welcome back to the episode on Mighty Model Shop Creations. Today, I will be filming this unboxing on my 1960 Pontiac Bonneville Convertible by Trumpeter. So, without further ado, let's roll the intro. Roll the intro. Alright, so basically I filmed my intro like that because you can't really see the whole box, but it's really nice box art. I like it a lot. Trumpeter, they're known for their really nicely fitting pieces. I've never built one, so I mean, this is my first time. I got this from Brian at the Model Club. We went over on Saturday to, I think, just like, because he's taking down his pool, so he moved some stuff for him. Anyways, he got this from Barry, who is also at the Model Club, but then he was nice enough, and I got it from him, so I think I got $50 for it. And it comes with the model car garage. Let's see if it'll focus here. Comes with the model car garage. Why can't I think of what it is? Photo etch. That's what it's called. Why isn't it focusing? This is making me angry already. There we go. See, we got the Bonneville logo. Lots of cool stuff. I think gauge decal somewhere in there. But yeah, there you go. And the grill, obviously. I think, yeah. And then we got, here's the instructions. Why is my camera not working? What is going on? What the hell? There we go. Got the instructions here. All the parts tree layout. And just to give you like a taste, they got some coloring in there. Very detailed instructions, I will say that. And they're nice and compact. Well, sometimes. For the most part, they're compact. I like the booklet format better, instead of like a big page that opens up like your whole desk length, because that can suck, depending on how big it gets. We got the chrome tree here. I'm not taking it out of the packaging because, I don't know, I didn't really feel like doing that before recording. But we got nice rims here. Oh my goodness, my camera sucks. There we go. We got that. We got long exhaust one piece. We have headlight bezels. I'm assuming trim. I think that's all trim. But we have trim on the photo etch pieces. I want to try to use the photo etch. We got the front bumper, rear bumper all the way over here. More fancy rims. I don't know which ones I'm going to go with yet, but I do know that I want this a yellow car. Sorry, excuse me. I do want this to be yellow. And then here is, oh, it's the same chrome tree. I don't know why there's two. I guess it came with a duplicate. I don't know. Again, he got this off of Barry. I'm not sure. Here we have interior pieces. I think that's stock interior. Bench seats down there. And looks like some engine bits here. And yeah, whoa, here's the belt. Holy man, it's like 3 different belts. Crazy. And then I think the top of the dashboard right there. Here's the dashboard. Very cool, very cool. Second part, oh wait, actually we're gonna go through the glass. So we got glass and we got side glass for the doors, which will be nice, because I'm thinking of hinging the doors on this. And then we got the tail lights right there. I might hinge the door and, oh, I'll definitely, oh, the trunk already comes open. Oh, that's kind of cool. Well, that's nice. Anyways, to continue on, so there's the trunk detail. I guess you can put a spare tire there. And that's the interior bottom, I guess. I don't know. And then there's like engine bits for the inside of the firewall area. And are these wheel inserts, or are these actually wheels? They might be actually wheels, but there's the white wall pieces, right? Yeah, they're right there. Firewall, or sorry, that's not the firewall, that's radiator mount area. More little engine bits and pieces. That's the firewall. Yep. There's the hood. I don't know. Oh, that's the trunk. And then engine or oil pan. Suspension bits and pieces. There's the underside of that. Very cool, very cool. We got, looks like more interior options. There's another dashboard. Is this the same one? Oh, there's the convertible piece. Another belt option there. We got more interior options. This looks like more like poofy, like vinyl leather. Looks like padding, or oh, that's really cool. That's like the sleeves on the back of the seats where you can put stuff. That's cool. I might use that. And then we got more bench seats and stuff. And then, whoa, this looks weird. This, oh, actually, we'll let's probably take this out. Take this out for you and just show you what the body looks like. I owe you that at least. Anyways, very nice crisp molding. Very hard plastic. That's very nice. I always love hard plastic. Nice trim line stuff. Or, not trim line, but like, oh, I guess it is. There's the, where you put the front grille, headlights. There's the back. Wow, that's very nice. That'll look really nice. And then there's the trunk opening, obviously. I didn't know it had already an opening trunk. That's pretty cool. Does it have mounts for it? Yeah, there's mounts there. And this is always nice. I'm really happy that they actually molded the the part where the glass fits in. That's really helpful, because sometimes in my Cadillac kit that I got, it had like a chrome piece to put on, but that was balls. That was horrible to put on, and it didn't even sit right at the end. It was terrible. But I was thinking, oh, that might be kind of balls to do, cut the doors out and hinge them. But it's convertible. It's fine. It's easier to do than a hardtop. That's what I learned with my DeSoto. There's the frame, and looks like the underside of the hood. Big fan, jeez, it's a huge fan. Underside of the trunk, suspension bits, pieces, fender flare, fender covers, or what? Fender flares or fender covers? Don't really remember. Spare tire. Is that a dead spider? Oh, there's a dead bug in there. But large steering wheel as well. Oh, there's engine bits, I think. Yeah, so very nice kit. I've seen no flash on this whatsoever. Oh, are these photo etch pieces? Looks like, oh, there's the Bonneville logo right there. That goes on the front grille on the box. It's gold. I don't know what these are. I'm not sure. Anyways, I will be using all of these, hopefully, if I can figure out how to. And then we got some more tires. These are rubber. Whoa, why is the camera not working? Hopefully the camera's been working. I haven't been checking. Very nice. What does this say? It says Telstar? I guess Telstar tires, I'm not sure. And then we got these ones as well. I think this is a custom option. This is also Telstar. Oh, were these more pieces? What is this? Oh, decals. There's decals in there. Looks like gauge decals, and that's it. And then wiring and springs. I've never seen this in a kit before. I guess I'll be using those. This might be a really nice build. I might even wire the engine, depending. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Just a quick unboxing. Oh, well, a quick unboxing is 10 minutes long. Jesus. Sorry about that. Anyways, this will be a nice, quick build, hopefully. Well, I say quick build, but I also gotta hinge the doors and stuff. Anyways, that's it for today's video. Hopefully you enjoyed. And if you'd like to follow along with this, I will be doing this one for most part. And I have another kit also that's coming along. Well, not coming along, I haven't started it yet. But it's a pretty cool project as well. So, thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Turn on the post notifications so you don't miss an upload from me. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.